Hello friends, welcome back. So today we will continue the topic of operations on large number. The last and the most important topic is the word problem, where the kids often get confused where when to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. They do all wrong and mistakes. So I will teach you today the easiest method how to recognize to do the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction in the word problems, statement problems. Okay, so let's start with the So let's start. First, whenever there is multiplication, we know that multiplication is what? It is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. We all know this. And division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtracting. Okay. So what we have to understand here is whenever one unit is given, for any one unit, if it is given and we have to find for more things relating with that one unit, if we have to find more, that is we have to find the total. Whenever we have to find the total, that is for the multiple things, then what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Okay, so we have to understand this chart. When one unit is given and we have to find for multiple things, means we have to find for more things, more related things with this unit, we have to do the multiplication. And whenever total is given, that means we have to find for one thing, means total is given and we have to find for one unit. This we have to find. Means whenever we have to find for less number of things, we have to understand with the question that whenever we have to find the less thing, for one thing, one unit, then we have to do the division. So let's understand with the examples. Now the question here is 3, 4, 7, 5 books can be packed in a cartoon. How many books can be packed in 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons? That means what is given. Now we have to check one thing, total and all those things we have to keep remembering that. So what is given here? 3, 4, 7, 5 books can be packed in a cartoon. What is this? In a cartoon means one thing is given, one unit is given. That is what? Cartoon. Okay, so that is given. How many books are there in 1, 3, 4, 7, 5 books. So one unit is given here. What we have to find? How many books can be packed in 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoon means we have to find more for more things. That means how many cartoons? 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons. That means what we have to do here? So many for cartoons we have to find. That means we have to do total. Total we have to find means we have to multiply. So this is a simple concept of how to know. We have to always remember what is given in the question. One unit is given. That is for a cartoon. How many books are packed? 3, 4, 7, 5 books are packed. You have to find for 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons. 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons means you have to find more. More means you have to find the total of this thing. So we have to multiply in this question. 3, 4, 7, 5 into 1, 4, 8, 5. And for every number we have to write the statements. So first number is here 3, 4, 7, 5. What statement will be here? Number of books in one cartoon is equal to 3, 4, 7, 5. This is number. Here also this number is given 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons. So what we have to write for this statement? That total number of cartoons books to be packed. That will be 1, 4, 8, 5. And the answer will be, we have to write the statement. So total number of books that can be packed in 1, 4, 8, 5 cartoons. We have to multiply both the numbers and write the answer. Okay, multiplication and all I taught you in my previous video. So I will share that link also. So now there is also one spoon feeding method. So let's start here with the other method. When we are confused about if that method you are not understanding, we can do other method also. Whatever is given, we have to write that first. 3, 4, 7, 5 books. So what is given here? numbers are given for books. Then what is given? 1485 cartons. So we will write here cartons. Simply we have to write whatever is given. Okay, now how many books are there? 3, 4, 7, 5 books, which is packed in how many cartons? 1 carton. Okay, and what is given? 1485 cartons. So we will write here 1485 cartons. Now what is left? We have to find this. How many books can be packed in 1485 cartons? Now what we have to do here is simply we wrote the numbers as it is from the question. Now we have to do here cross multiplication. So we will do here cross multiplication and we will get the answer. So what is this? 3, 4, 7, 5 multiply 1485 divided by 1. So we will get answer like that also. So this is the spoon feeding method. You can always recheck your answer if you are doing correct multiplication or division. Okay. Again one more question I will take here. Now next question here is 859 packets of biscuits can be loaded in a wagon. How many wagons are required to load 1154496 packets? Now we often we get confused. What is this? It will be multiply, divide or addition, subtraction. So let's check here. 859 packets of biscuits can be loaded in a wagon. Okay, and how many wagons are required to load in this many packets? So first now we will start ulta. Let's start with the spoon feeding method first. Biscuits. Okay, biscuit packets are given and packets of biscuits, and what is given is wagon, the number of wagons. So 859 packets of biscuits can be loaded in a wagon. One wagon, how many biscuit packets? 859 packets of biscuits. And how many wagons are required to load this many packets of biscuits? Okay, so what you have to find here? How many wagons? Okay, so first what we have to do here? Cross multiplication again. So let's do here cross multiplication. Now what we will multiply here? Here we have to find this. So it will be 1154496 into 1 divided by the smaller number 859. Okay. So this is the way we have to do the spoon feeding method. Okay. Now if we have to understand the concept wise, if you want to do. So what is given here is total number of packets are given. We know here total packets given as 1154496 number of packets are there, and we have to find how many wagons are required. So we can understand here we have to find for less thing. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find for less. We have to understand this concept here. So we will do division. So what we have to do here is divide. Now next question here is, this many books are to be arranged equally in shelves in a library. If 65 books are arranged in each shelf, how many shelves will be needed? Now how we will understand this question? You see the words first. What is given here is are to be arranged equally in shelves in a library. Okay, so we have to arrange this many books in the equally in the shelves. So here only we can understand that this is a division question. Now again we will check the next line. If 65 books are arranged in each shelf, now what we have to do? In one shelf we have to arrange 65 books. So total given is how many books? 16660 books has to be arranged in how many shelves? So here what we are going to do here is cross multiplication again. So 1, so we will do here 1 into 16660 1,66,660 number of books, okay, into 1. This we had done cross multiplication, and this is what 65 will come down divided by 65. So this is our spoon feeding method, or easily you can just check with the question also. You know, here equally we have to divide in this many and we have to arrange in the shelves. So we know here what is given. Now we are clear with our concept that total number of books is given. We have to equally divide. Now this is what total number of books has to be equally divided in the shelves. So what we have to do here, we have to divide with the number of books which has to be arranged in this many shelves. Okay. Let's check the statement, how we will write the statement. For all the numbers, we will write one statement. That's it. Whatever blah blah is given here, we are not considered for statement. Only this number and this number, 2 numbers are there, and 1 is the answer, final answer which we will get. So we will write here 3 statements. So first we will write here, now we understood total number of books, okay, to be arranged is equal to this many books we will write, and total number of books to be arranged in one shelf, so is equal to 65, and in the last, number of shelves will be needed to arrange this many books is equal to whatever we will get after division, the answer we will write. So this is the statement problem. Let's do one more example. Now next question here is, Sky Travels charges rupees 80,563 for a 7-day trip to Europe per passenger. If 8,790 passengers take that trip in a year, how much has the travel agency earned during that year? Now we can understand from the question, per passenger it is charging this much of money, and if this many passengers are traveling in a year, how much the agency has earned, means we have to find for more thing, for the total. So total when we have to find, so we should know the 1 per unit must have been given in the question. So we can see here per passenger charge is given. So for 1 passenger charges are given, how much it is? 80563 rupees for 1 passenger, and we have to find the total amount earned. Okay, so total means we have to find the total, means we have to do here multiplication. Okay, very easy, but still if it is not very much clear, we have again one more method here. So charges per passenger. So what is given here? One more unit is passengers. What is given here? 80563 rupees for 1 passenger. Okay. Days we are not concerned, because we have to find here how much money is earned. Earned means we have concerned about the rupees, and number of passengers are given. So these are the 2 units we have taken, whatever is given. So passengers are 8790 passengers we have to find for. Now what we have to do here? Simple cross multiplication. What we will do here? 80563 into 8790 divided by 1. So we will get here the answer, that how much the agency will earn after multiplying. So these are the 2 ways with which we can predict what will we have to do. Okay, this way first we can understand, then again we will do fast this method also, so that we will understand that we are doing correct or not. So this is the basic concept of solving the word problems, and I will share my link of the multiplication and division which I explained in my previous video. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share my video. Thank you.